Mommy.
What? Uh-huh. Hey guys, so I just did a major grocery haul and I wanted you guys to see all the stuff that I bought. Just preparing for the next couple of weeks while I am at home with my boys, seeing that there will be no school for a whole month. So I went and did a major grocery shopping. So now I'm gonna clean my fridge out, take everything out, clean it, and then put in all the new groceries. So guys, I just want to show you a few of the items that I bought. I bought some ice cream and some sugar cones for my son. And right now my husband is doing the whole Lent, so he's not eating meat. So I bought him a bunch of stuff that he can eat that does not have meat in it. Oops, I just dropped that. I got a tofu scramble for breakfast, and those he can take to work. I also got these. I also got some cake mix, and I got some cereal, some Special K, and I got some Cocoa Pebbles. I haven't had Cocoa Pebbles in a very long time. They used to be my absolute favorite. And I also used to buy Captain Crunch a lot. When I went to the store, they only have 2 on the shelf. So I got some stuff for breakfast. I got some blueberry waffles and some chocolate chip pancakes. I got some cookies. My husband loved these. I wanted to get the macadamia nut, but they didn't have that, so I got the lemon flavor, and I got some chocolate chunks. I also got some fajita meat. I got the beef and the chicken. I got some baked beans, and I got some whipping for the cake. I got some ketchup, and I got a few seasoning because I was out. I also got some snacks for my son. He absolutely loved these, so I got him some bologna and some, oh, that's not a bologna. I got him turkey, and I got him these fruit cups. Now, I don't know if he likes them or if he'll eat it, but I bought it just in case. And this is the blueberry waffles that I got. I also got some meatballs, and I'm not even a fan of meatballs like that, but I got it. And I got some meatless meatballs for my husband. I also got some breakfast sausage patties for him and some burritos. Hopefully he liked them. I've never bought them before, but like I said, my husband is not eating meat right now, so there is not a lot of options for him. So my husband wanted these for work. He wanted the chicken ones, but they didn't have any.
Hi.
Hi, baby. So he wanted some of these, but they didn't have any chicken, so I got him the hot and spicy shrimp, and I got him some beef. I also got some large shrimp. I got some small shrimp. I got 2 bags of the small shrimp. Are you helping me? I got 4. I thought this was orange juice, but I guess not. But I got 4 of these. 2 of them are orange juice. 1 is pineapple mango juice. And then there's the orange juice. So guys, my son wanted to help me. I also got some spicy crab rolls. I absolutely love these. I got the California rolls also, and I got the shrimp and avocado, and I absolutely love them. Anytime I go to Walmart, I always get them. I also got some snow crab legs, and I think I can make some shrimp and crabs and sausage boil. I don't know when yet. I got myself a whole bag of Cheetos because I love Cheetos. And I got some catfish nuggets for my husband. He's not eating meat, but he is eating seafood. And I got me some protein Bolthouse Farm shakes. I love these. This is the vanilla shot. I got some breakfast smoothie. I got the mango pineapple colada, strawberry banana, and the breakfast smoothie. I also got some medicine. I got the Theraflu, and I got some multivitamin for myself and my husband. So I went to the doctor this morning, and my son got a nebulizer machine. I went to Walgreens to pick up his medication, but they didn't have any in stock, so I have to go back tomorrow. I did get some juice, some more juice. I got water. I got pull-ups, and I got diapers. What? So most of my grocery I did at Walmart. I did get a few items at Family Dollar. Why are you looking at me like that? So he is sick right now, so he will not let me put him down. So I'm going to have to clean this fridge and do everything while I'm holding him. Not that easy to do at all. But I need to clean the fridge out because it is so messy, and there's just so much stuff in there, and I have no idea where I'm going to put most of this stuff. finished cleaning. I gotta put back in that bottom shelf, and then these are clean. And I finished cleaning the freezer. I haven't cleaned the freezer in a long time. I have to put those shelves back in, but I have to wash them first, and right now I can't because my sink is full of food. husband will be eating the meatless meatballs, and I'm having regular meatballs.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
So my freezer storage area is not completely perfect, but it's the best that I can do because of how much food I have and the storage space I have.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to
Bye.